Hey, what is up everyone? And in this video, I wanted to go through landing pages and why they're so important when you're running Google Ads. So I've just got two companies here. One is a carpet cleaning company and one is a window cleaning company. And first off, we can see straight away that this carpet cleaning company doesn't have their SSL certificate. So that means when some people might come onto the website, they might get a security warning from Google or from a website just saying that the site isn't safe and that it's not safe and that you shouldn't really be on it because it's not secure. And how you get that is it's called an SSL certificate. So you get that off your website provider. As you can see, this one has it here. It has S at the end, and Google is saying that the website is secure on this one. And then we'll just move down. And as you can see, we're landing on this page. Like there's no location. Like if I click onto this ad, if they had an ad running saying carpet cleaning Limerick and I click on, I can't see where this guy is based. So it doesn't really say straight away like he's a carpet cleaner in Limerick. And then again, we can look again. There's no buttons. There's no call button. There's no fill out the form button. And the pictures they're just not good. Like the pictures look squashed. They don't look very good. The website isn't great, but this guy does have really good reviews. As you can see, the photos here do not look very good at all. And then if you go to the mobile, it's definitely not mobile optimized. So it looks even worse on mobile. And there is a number up there. I'm not too sure if you can click and call that, but by right there should be a click to call button and an email button for when people are ringing or trying to contact you out of work, or if they're in work, if they're in the office, they're not going to pick up the phone and just start ringing. So I'm actually wrong. He does have a phone number here straight away. It's at the bottom, but there still is no email form. So what I would have here is I would have the logo a lot smaller. Then when they land right here, I'd have carpet cleaning in Limerick, or are you looking for a carpet cleaner in Limerick? And then have a click the call button and an email button. So this website here, people click on, it's nice and clean, simple. You can see the text and it's just straight to the point. So the ad is going to say window cleaner Limerick. You're going to click into the ad and it's going to say looking to get your windows cleaned in Limerick. There's a click to call button and there's a request to call back button. And when you click that, it brings you to the email form. You fill out the email and you send it. When you click that on mobile, it just rings. Simple. And even if we go to mobile right now, we're on mobile, it's the exact same. Nice and simple, nice big buttons there that people can just click and call and fill out the form and straight to the point. So the more simple you can make your landing page, make it look neat, just say where you are and your service. So if you're a carpet cleaner in Dublin, the landing page will come on, it'll say looking to get your carpets cleaned in Dublin. The person who's clicking on your ad, they know where you are, and then just have a call button or an email button. That's all you need. And that's really the basics of setting up a decent landing page to get more conversions from your Google Ads. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you.